Everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your screen size on your Nintendo Switch. So if you are having problems with like the UI or something, you can go down to System Settings right here, and then select that and scroll on down. And we want to go to where it says TV Settings. Then go to the right. Then under here, we have Adjust Screen Size. Select this. And then you want to go up and down. So if you go all the way down, it's going to go to 80%. And then you'll only see your screen right here, and you're going to have giant black boxes around your entire screen. So just go to the edge of your screen and then set it on here, and you go to OK. So this will be good right here. Then you also have TV resolution. So it's by default on Mac, but you might want to go ahead and manually select a setting on here, maybe 4K in the future if you have a newer version of the Switch, or 1080p for me. But on Mac, should just default to the highest one, and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.